So let's get this open, guys. I'm going to try and not ruin this seal, because if I don't want the keyboard, I might return it. I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna try and keep this as intact as I possibly can. And here it is. Let me move the camera back a bit more. So you can see these little manuals here on the top of the lid right here. So this is basically the manual. And I think it's kind of like a thank you note. Yeah, it's like a little thank you note. Yeah, the manual, quick start manual, which explains how to work with the keyboard and whatnot. And you have these little Razer stickers that they included. I'm going to glue this on my desktop. Pretty cool. Here you can see the little keychain button that I told you, I showed you a little while ago. So this basically comes off like so. Pull this out, and you have this little key thingy. Oops. Now you can basically attach this here, I think, yeah, and you have a little keychain. It's pretty cool. Good for stress. When you're stressed out, you just press this a few times, you're good as new. Welcome to the cult of Razer. It's what it says here on the box. So I'm gonna open this up. And here as well. Oh, here's your cable, braided cable. And it also has the pass-through for the 3.5mm headphone jack, which comes included on the keyboard itself. So you would connect this to your computer, and it gives the function of the keyboard. It gives power and function to the keyboard, the connection. And it also gives a pass-through in case you want to connect a USB device on the side, as well as a pair of headphones. Okay, let's get this out, like so. And here's the baby. Let me just move this out of the way. There's nothing else here in the box. And I'm going to place this down right here so I can show you this better. And just pull these little pads off. As well as this one. And then you have this little protector. Put this out of the way. And right here, on the underside of the keyboard, you have the pad. Now, I can tell you at first glance that although this is plastic, it's pretty well built. I mean, it feels nice. You can hear the clickiness of the keyboard. I cannot wait to connect this to the computer and test this out. I'm liking the sound of this. This might be prone to some, fingerprints, since this is plastic. And I think they improved this material over the previous generation one, the Blackwidow Chroma and the Ornata, because I'm not sure, but I think this surface here is slightly better to reduce fingerprints. But if you want to avoid fingerprints, it's not really easy to do that. Now, in terms of weight, it feels really heavy. This is substantially heavy. And if you go to the store and pick this up, you'll feel the weight of this. It's pretty heavy. So notice that on the background of the keys, I don't know if you can tell in the video, it actually has a white background. Can you see that under the keys? Let me see if I can pull one out to show you better. Let's see if I can pull this one out. How you get these little guys out. Wow, not coming out. They're pretty well plugged in here. Oh, I can't pull this out, but you know, you can tell on the underside of the keyboard, on the back side, it's white. And the reason for this is to give the lights a more reflective effect. It's give them more intensity, so you can see the lights better. So there's a reason for that, but you don't notice it much when it's like laying down. So when you look at the keyboard, it looks all black. And here you can see the special programmable keys right here. Like I said, this is the Portuguese layout since I'm in Portugal. Here you have speaker mute, volume down, volume up. F4, you have rewind, reverse or previous track, play, pause, forward, or next track. F8. This M1, I'm not sure what it's for. This is gaming mode, I believe. This is to brighten the keyboard, or you know, dim or more or less intensity in the keyboard light. And yeah, this is it. They've also improved the characters here. The characters are different from the previous generation. And I haven't compared both of them, that they say this one looks better when it's lit up. And I think it shows up a little bit more light through the keys. I'm not sure, you know, through the characters. And here you have this little plate that I believe this light turns on when you activate those special keys right there in the gaming mode. This should switch on, and you can also see the control, the the tabs and whatnot. Here you have a little Razer logo. These are the actual pass-throughs for the USB and the 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can connect your headphones. But also, as I said, there's no microphone connector. They're only for speakers, for headphones, sorry. And on the other side, it's pretty basic, all plastic as well. You have these little you know, feet that you can lift, so you can incline the keyboard as kind of like a tilt. But it's not adjustable. You only have one size. There's not like two sizes. There's only one function here, on or off, up or down. I believe that the weight of the keyboard itself will help on stability, so it doesn't slip around. That might be a pretty good help on that aspect. And you also have these little rubber feet, so it doesn't slide as much on the table, as you can see. So it seems pretty stable on the table. So if I were to place the keyboard here on this glass table, for example, I can tell it doesn't move. I mean, it feels stable, see? It stays glued to the table. There's no slip. It feels pretty sturdy. And you can see what the writing is like. Very nice. Another neat thing that I've noticed here, it comes with the cable, comes with this little cable organizer that you can, it's fixed here on the cable, see, and it's made of rubber. So whenever you want to organize your cables, you just fix this little strap thingy around here, this rubber strap thingy, it locks here into place, and you have everything organized. So you don't have cables like everywhere. That's a pretty neat little detail, little touch right there that I think is pretty nice. In terms of the palm rest, I'm going to attach it so you guys can see. It's magnetic, so all you have to do is approximate it to the keyboard, and it will kind of connect, just glue on, because it has the magnets. And you can see it's very soft material. The material is super soft. I'm not sure if this is leather. It doesn't seem like real leather to me, but You know, as long as it withstands the abuse of gaming, I think that's okay. Doesn't matter. Comes with this little logo. It attaches magnetically, so as soon as I see it glues on. So you can just rest your hand. This is super comfortable, guys. Now, if I raise the keyboard, I raise the little feet, I can still attach this, I believe. Yes. And, you know, there it is. Wow. This is comfy. This is really comfortable. It's great. Yeah, in terms of comfort and the key reaction and whatnot, I'm happy with this. Perfect. Perfect keyboard. Now I'm going to test on the lights so I can show you. And then I might do a more in-depth review so you guys can check this out. You know, programming keys and whatnot, how you can change the colors, and it has a whole bunch of patterns. So I'm going to test this guy out for a bit to get used to it and see how it actually works. And then I'm going to get on with another video to show you, or maybe include it in this video. I'm not sure yet. Depends on how long the video ends up. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to check out more of my videos and more updates that I'm going to show you, or more technology and gadgets, smartphones and whatnot, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a nice week.
Are you happy now? Are you happy now?